varies directly as y square. This is also same as x is directly proportional to y square. And whenever I remove proportionality symbol, I have to add some constant that would be, let's say it's k. So it would be x will be equals to k into y square. And they have given a point when x is 48, y is 4. So in that case, in place of x, I can replace 48. And in place of y, I can replace 4 in order to get the value of k. So in that case, k would be equals to 48 divided by 4 square is 16. So 48 divided by 16 is positive 3. So which means k value is 3. Then my new expression will look like x is equals to 3 times y square. So from here it is pretty simple. So since they're asking you what is the value of x when y is 2, so which means x equals to 3 times 2 square. So 3 times 2 square is 3 times 4, which is 12. So that is the reason it should be option B.